Oh, belum. Ya.
Alright. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. So before we start our simulation as a future engineer, as a future CEO, we would like to introduce ourselves first. Hi, my name is Ainul Lani, and right now I'm as a material engineer, and beside me is.
Hello everyone, my name is Tania Lanun as a production engineer.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Nathan Kama as maintenance engineer. My name is Yusuf Maulana and project engineer.
Okay. My name is Delana Fiona Madani as supervisor.
My name is Rico Labellino as quality inspector.
Alright then, before we start our simulation today, we would like to know the case today. So the case is incorrect material specification, where the background is your team ordered steel plates for structural components. The required specification was a STM A36 steel with 12 mm thickness. However, the delivered material has a thickness of 10 mm. Where the problem is the thinner material may affect the structural strength and safety of the product. So we will gonna discuss about what is the exact problem, what risks may occur if the material is used, and what action should be taken. Is it rejected or replacement or what? So without getting any further ado, so get started into the conversation. Thank you.
Let's begin the meeting. The purpose of this meeting is to discuss the discrepancy in our steel delivery. Mr. Rico, what is the situation?
Thank you, Dela. We noticed that the shipment of the receipt contains 10 mm plates instead of 12 mm of the STM A36 we ordered. The result is not required specification. And this process a serious threats to our structural integrity.
A 2 mm difference is unacceptable for this project. Could you share your findings, Ms. Ainul?
Alright, Ms. Stella. So certainly the test was conducted by hydraulic test simulator, where the result was show that the 10 mm plates cannot be reached into the maximum capacity. So it was a really major safety hazard.
Mr. Nathan, as our maintenance engineer, what about the long-term implication?
Okay, I share the same concern as Ainul and totally agree with Ainul's evaluation. So, the inspection result indicate that using 10 mm steel plate instead of the required 12 mm steel plate may create a several operational and also a structural risk. This difference is very important because the shortness of the steel plate may directly affect the strength and durability of the structure. A thinner plate may reduce the load bearing capacity and stiffness of the component. And also we observe that if this material is used without modification, the structure may experience higher stress during operation, which can lead to bending, deformation, or even any failure of the pipe. And then another concern is about operational safety. If the material is subjected to heavy loads or continuous vibration, the material will not be strong enough to support the operational load safely. So from the maintenance side, I recommend the material should be rejected and replaced with the correct 12 mm steel plate to ensure reliability and also long-term safety.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Nathan. Can we modify our assembly to accommodate this 10 mm plates, Mr. Nathan?
Okay, I strongly advise against it. This could affect production because changing to 10 mm means altering all welding parameters and CNC programs. This re-engineering process risks causing production defect and costly reward. So we suggest adjusting the process by temporarily shifting our manpower to prefabricate secondary components whose materials are already available house. So this way we can eliminate operator downtime while waiting for the burn plates.
Wait, eliminate the even so, shifting my power, my still affect and still what affect the project schedule. Your delivery deadline to the client next week. We need to resolve this quickly. However, we cannot sit and take unintentional product. We suggest taking immediate corrective action, rejecting these engine beds and demanding an expense replacement.
Okay, I've heard your concern. Safety and quality are non-negotiable, right?
Yes.
Mr. Rico, what do you suggest as the final?
I think we must reject the material and request a 12mm replacement immediately, no compromises.
Agreed. Let's decide on the best solution. Mr. Yusuf, contact the supplier and demand a 48-hour express delivery at their expense. And Ms. Sania, prepare the team for a double shift to make up for delay.
Okay, understood, Ms. Della. This solution may improve our catching up strategy. I will restructure the shift schedule immediately so the team is fully prepared for the fabrication once the 12mm plates arrive.
Okay, and Mr. Rico, don't forget to send me a formal checks and report by 3 p.m., okay?
Understood, sir.
Okay, thank you team. Thank you team for meeting adjourned.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So much, guys.
Good job.